On May 4, 2025, Guangzhou, China, was ravaged by a terrifying hailstorm and ferocious tornadoes. Giant hailstones crashed down like cannonballs, paired with powerful winds, devastating everything. Roofs punctured, cars dented, trees toppled, and residents scrambling for safety. The scene was a brutal display of nature's wrath, leaving destruction across the city. Hailstorms are caused by intense thunderstorm clouds, where warm, moist air rises and meets cold currents, forming ice pellets that plummet. In Guangzhou, warm South China Sea air clashed with cold northern air, fueling the hail and tornadoes. To minimize damage, seek shelter in sturdy buildings, avoid windows or wear helmets if outdoors, protect vehicles by parking in garages or covering them securely. Let's raise awareness about natural disasters. Subscribe to our channel today to stay updated on extreme weather. Hit the subscribe button and share now.